Welcome. In this video, we are going to look at some of the color picture manipulations that we can do with Pillow. And some of those will include my favorites, which are edge detection, grayscale, contrast, and brightness. And furthermore, we will look at how we can use the Python imaging library / Pillow documentation to assist us in finding the transformation we are looking for. Let's begin by having a look at some of the image color manipulations that we can do. But first we need an image. So I'm going to say rodents image equals image open, and again I'm just going to open that rodents image that we saw in the last video because I find it pretty cute. And now I want to take the grayscale of that image. So grayscale equals, and to make something grayscale I can just say convert and then use the -L option. So then I can say grayscale.show, and my image is called rodents_image. When I run this, I get a grayscale image of those rodents. Neato. Now let's also take the edge detection. And to do this, we can do the same kind of thing. Rodents image dot filter this time, and then we can use the image filter that I have imported above and use the constant find edges. We can say edge detect dot show, and if I run this, then we get a new image which has edge detection turned on. At this point, you may be wondering how I know all these commands by heart. Well, the secret is I don't. I look at the documentation and try to find out which commands give me which transformations. So if I open the documentation and they have a search tool I can use, so if I search perhaps edge, and it does a search, and then it finds the image filter module. I click on that, it looks interesting, and then I find, oh, there's a bunch of filters I can use, and one of them finds edge detection. But there's also other things in here, such as sharpen, emboss, blur, if you're interested, and so on. So I went and sifted through this documentation, and I also found another neat module called the Image Enhance module. And what this does is it provides functionality to increase the contrast and the brightness on an image. So let's see how we can use those. So contrast is going to be image enhance dot contrast, and this takes an image, so that's our rodent image, and now we have to call the enhance method and give it a factor of how much we want to enhance the image by. So I'm going to say 1.5 for 150%, and now I can say contrast show. Actually, let's show the rodent's image before and after so we can see the difference. So this is it before, and this is it after. You can really see that that contrast is really showing right there. Let's bump it up something, maybe 3.5, see what that does. And now my rodents are pretty much black. So since they're pretty dark, let's see if we can brighten this image using the image enhance brightness. Okay, so let's see, bright equals image enhance dot brightness, And let's pass in that contrast image. Say enhance, and let's brighten it by 200%. So let's also show bright. If I run this, now we get, ooh, I'm not sure which is which. Let's bump up the brightness and perhaps we can see a larger difference. Let's bump it up to maybe 5. And I'm pretty sure the bright one is this top one, but I think the contrast is hiding its effect. So let's turn it off. So instead of passing the contrasted image, let's use the rodent image. And this should be pretty bright. And this is the bright image without the contrast. And now you can hardly see the rodents at all because they're so bright. In this video, we looked at how to do picture color manipulations in Python. In the next video, we are going to look at how we can do very customized picture manipulations. I will see you then.